Welcome back to Stockholm. We just had a delicious lunch here, and I've got Otto from Eagle Point here next to me. Rose, welcome, and how are you today?
Yeah, thank you. I'm very well. It's exciting to be here again.
We were thinking a little bit, you have been here to the BIM Summit, or the Nordic BIM Summit as was called previously, many times. So how do you compare this year compared to previous years?
Yeah, it's exciting to be here again. The energy is here. It's exciting. There's a lot of people here. I've said it to many people that it seems like this year there's a lot of people here, a lot of excitement leading up to the event as well. So it's good.
And you at Eagle Point, of course, you work with the e-learning platform Pinnacle, and e-learning, of course, is about training people. So why is it so important for companies to actually train their employees?
Yeah, good question. So obviously we all know that training is important, but obviously we're here to do business, so we need to make time for that. So the Autodesk Design and Make report the last couple of years still mentions that attracting, training, retaining staff is a top challenge for AEC and manufacturing companies. So the report talks about how, we all recognize that training is important, but we don't necessarily know what to do about it. How do we start? What kind of budget do we come up with? So it talks a lot about that in the report and gives some great examples. So I highly recommend reading that. But I think it is important to understand that we need to do something about it. And together with Symmetry, we have the solution. This is what we do. We help organizations with this challenge, and we help them get a return on their investment.
As a company, then, why should you send or invest in an e-learning platform? Wouldn't it be better to just let your employees, Google their problems and then take it from there?
Yeah, great question. I mean, there's a lot of free resources out there, right? And a lot of places where users can go find answers. But that at the same time can be a challenge, because if you now have multiple people searching for a question that they have, you're going to get different answers. YouTube, Google, it's a great resource, obviously, but you have the challenge of content that's on different version years, different answers, different experts that have a different solution, and you don't have the control over that answer that they're getting. So with Pinnacle series, with the AI chat, or just a generic search, you can make sure that the answers that your users are getting are reliable, they can be trusted, and you have control over it as well. So you can actually modify the platform, modify the content, and add in your own resources to make sure that they're following your way of doing things.
Excellent. We have a lot of presentations, or some presentations about AI in here, and I know that the Pinnacle platform is using AI extensively. Can you tell us a little bit about what you're actually doing and how that benefits the people that are using the platform?
Yeah, so last year at Autodesk University, we introduced our AI chat, and what that does is it allows you to ask a very specific question. For example, how do I add stairs in Revit? And it will search through the content that's available in the platform provided by Eagle Point Software, by Symmetry, or by the customer. It will search through all of that content to come up with the instructions that the user needs to go back to their project quickly.
Excellent. Thank you very much, Rose, and it's great to have you here.